of fog is there, that's why the flight diverted to Bangalore. Okay, I think it will take minimum 2.5 hours to come back to here. Okay, the schedule time is 8:05. Okay, we are ready for receive them, and Department of Tourism also there. They are giving flowers and all to receive, but the fog, because of fog, flight diverted to Bangalore now. We are waiting when we'll come back. Okay, we'll get answer from the airport authority. Immediately we will let you know.
We were all waiting outside, and then we realized it was heavy fog, and because of that no planes were landing at the Dabolim airport in Goa or taking off, and therefore many international and domestic flights had to be cancelled. Now there are at least about I can think of at least about 8 to 10 flights which have been cancelled. That would mean at least about 1,000, 2,000 passengers who have been affected because of this. Also international flights, many of them going to Sharjah, they have been cancelled. Air Asia flights have been cancelled. And the reason, of course, given by the airport officials is that because the airport really cannot handle such amount of fog, and that's the reason why these planes really could not land. If this was, say, Bombay, or this was Delhi airport, certainly these the planes could have landed, because it has the Cat 3C, that is the system which is used for tackling fog. So those planes could have landed, but Dabolim airport is not equipped with that. That's what airline officials said, and therefore they could not land at the airport. So many passengers have had to go back to their hotels, and the cancellations have taken place, and they have to rebook their tickets. But the flight operations have just begun. A couple of planes have landed at the international airport here in Goa, and slowly, of course, the operations will resume. That's what they have said, and in fact, a couple of flights have landed. So the flights, once they can land, only then they can take off the same flight. So gradually, it will improve the situation, but the backlog, of course, is immense.